As seasons change, it's important to always stay aware of ways you can help your home help you, especially when it comes to energy savings.
One easy way to do this is with a home energy self-audit. Professional home energy audits are important to conduct periodically as well, but if you're looking to do some minor improvements that could have some noticeable impacts, a self-audit is a good place to start.
Today we'll talk about some of the key areas that are easy to evaluate and adjust. Air leaks in your home can be a significant culprit in energy loss. Reducing them could help save you 10 to 20% on your energy bill. That's not too shabby. Here's how to start. Make a list of noticed or potential areas for drafts or escaping conditioned air. Some of the best places to check are baseboards on exterior walls, edges of flooring, junctures of walls and ceilings, windows including casings and trim areas, exterior doors or doors that lead to unconditioned portions of the home, lighting and plumbing fixtures, switches and electrical outlets on exterior walls. Outside, be sure to look closely for gaps where building materials meet or where pipes or conduit for utilities enter the home. Using a tissue or safe smoke source can help you detect moving air inside the home and direct you on what items need to be sealed. Tips on how to do this can be found on PowerHouseTV.com or other areas online.
Heat loss through the floor, ceiling, and walls of your home can really add up. Insulation in your home can degrade over time, or it may not have been installed at the optimal level to guarantee comfort in your home. This can be especially true in older homes. Here's your checklist. Take a look at your attic hatch. Is it insulated, weather stripped, and does it close tightly? Could they use sealing with expanding foam caulk or other permanent sealant? If attic floor insulation levels seem low from degradation or insufficient install, add insulation material to bring you back to current recommended levels of insulation. You can use the Home Energy Saver tool found on energy.gov to help you calculate the correct amount. Basements or crawl spaces that are easy to access should also be looked at to evaluate insulation levels. In most areas of the country, an R value of 25 is recommended minimum level of insulation for these spaces to maximize your energy efficiency.
Heating and cooling equipment should be inspected annually by professionals or as recommended by the manufacturer. But something you can do is to replace the system's filters. That can help your heating and cooling equipment run more efficiently and cleanly. Most filters you can check by holding them up to a light source. If you notice a lot of dirt or have a difficult time seeing light pass through the filter, you might want to install a new one. Check your unit to make sure you get the right size filter to replace. Check your ductwork for leaks that could be robbing you of efficiency. These often show up as dirt streaks on the ductwork, especially near seams. Duct mastic can be applied to seal the leaks instead of duct tape. Tape can become less sticky and peel away from the duct, causing the leak to reappear. Look at that piping that carries heated water from your water heater. If it's exposed and in an unconditioned area of your home, consider wrapping it with insulation. Wrapping those pipes can help keep the water that's moving to different parts of your home from losing heat.
Did you know that the lighting in your home accounts for about 10% of your electric bill? Keeping it as efficient as possible helps you and the environment. Take a look at the bulbs in your house and consider if some or all could be upgraded to Energy Star LEDs. Many times, lights are left on in rooms where you don't spend a lot of time. Or maybe you leave them on as a sort of nightlight. Consider small plug-in LED lights for lighting at night, and consider installing timers or motion sensors in rooms where you don't spend a lot of time. That way, if you forget to turn off the light, the sensor or timer will turn it off for you.
We rely on our appliances and electronics to make our lives more comfortable and enjoyable. Here are a few strategies to also tame their energy usage. Unplug items not in use to prevent phantom loads. That's the power used to keep your appliance ready for use. That red dot on your TV that isn't on is an example of phantom power. Those video game consoles your children use also use phantom power, and many of those have settings where you can put them in energy saver mode when not in use. Do you have an extra refrigerator in the garage? If you do, consider how much you really use it. An extra refrigerator in an unconditioned garage can cost you up to $110 extra a year. Many utilities offer services to recycle those extra refrigerators, and some may even pay you to take them away. If you're in the market for new appliances, make sure you are looking for the Energy Star label. These appliances are certified to be efficient with the energy they use. Technology is improving all the time.
Once you know where your house is losing energy, make a plan. Ask yourself these questions. What are my greatest energy loss areas? If I invest in making it more efficient, how long will it take to pay for itself in savings? What is the benefit of the proposed improvements to my home and family? Can I do the job myself, or do I need to hire a contractor? What is my overall energy improvement budget?
Considering these questions, as well as how long you might remain in your current home, can help you prioritize investments and make good decisions. If you're looking to make a significant investment in energy savings, consider having a professional home energy assessment completed to really target your efforts.
You can learn more about professional assessments as well as a variety of DIY improvements by visiting PowerHouseTV.com. A 2016 study conducted by the Boston University School of Public Health states that approximately 90% of U.S. homes are under-insulated. The study also estimates that correcting this problem could cut U.S. electricity consumption by 37 billion kilowatt hours.